In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, top members of Sikh community have said that Chittisinghpora and other such massacres were perpetrated by Indian secret agencies to suppress the ongoing movement for Kashmir's freedom from Indian occupation. On March 20th, in 2000, during the visit of then US President Bill Clinton to India, 35 Sikhs were killed by Indian troops in disguise in Chittisinghpora area of Islamabad district. The massacre was intended to exploit the attention of the US and international media on the visit of US President by discrediting Kashmir's legitimate struggle for self-determination and creating the false impression of it being terrorism. On the 22nd anniversary of the gruesome massacre, Sikh political leaders Narendra Singh Khalsa, Angad Singh Khalsa and Davinder Singh Bahal, besides retired military officers and members of legal fraternity based in occupied Jammu and Kashmir, have again testified that the massacre was the handiwork of none other than the Indian troops. They pointed out that earlier Indian agencies succeeded in persuading the Pandit community to leave the valley to communalize the Kashmir dispute. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference has welcomed all the foreign ministers and dignitaries attending the Organization of Islamic Cooperation meeting being held in Islamabad from Tuesday. The leadership, in a statement issued in Srinagar, implored the visiting dignitaries to work out a robust strategy to free Kashmir and Palestine from illegal occupation of India and Israel. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah, addressing a gathering in Patan area, Baramulla, said the risky political vacuum created by Modi government's decision on August 2019 cannot be filled by airdropped leaders mushrooming in every nook and corner of Kashmir. He said the government's claims about normalization, peace and development are nowhere to be seen on the ground. Meanwhile, Indian police arrested All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Hakim Abdul Rashid and lodged him in Lal Bazar police station in Srinagar. On the other hand, 3 personnel of Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force were injured in 2 grenade blasts in Pulwama and Shopian districts of South Kashmir. Apart from the Congress in India, the Hindu extremist organization Shiv Sena and some bureaucrats have also raised objections to the controversial film Kashmir Files, produced to discredit Kashmiri Muslims and the legitimate freedom movement, besides inciting anti-Muslim sentiments. They called it a vicious attempt to gain electoral advantage. Indian farmers have announced to hold an India-wide protest tomorrow against the Modi government for not fulfilling its promises, including setting up of a panel on minimum support price and withdrawal of cases against them. The announcement was made Samyukt Kisan Morcha, an umbrella body of 14 farm unions.